Here are 3 barter facts that are directly connected to Jimmy Buffett.
52 years ago, Jimmy Buffett released a white sport coat and a pink crustration. My favorite 2 tracks are Cuban Crime of Passion and I Have Found Me a Home. But my favorite part about this album is the album cover where there's the lobster traps. Ooh. So when I was down in Key West filming the Parrot documentary, I stumbled into this Walgreens and found this crazy artwork that you're never going to believe the connection to. These 3 pieces of art were made by a local Key West artist named Glenn Lottie, and they're actually made with the frames of lobster traps that were actually used in Key West. And you can see the little tag right there from Fish and Wildlife. And I just absolutely fell in love with them.
Fins up!